Christmas gifts with all the trimmings from Real Deals for You.
The Roughneck turbo clamp is really useful for most trades, and it's a great addition to anybody's toolkit. This is an excellent bit of kit if you need an extra pair of hands or you're caught out, you just need to clamp something off while you do some work. This bit of kit, very simple. Double skinned metal frame, 6-inch capacity, easy function. This works very much like a mastic gun does, same sort of principle. So, pull it back, it's now fully open. You can now apply it straight onto your workpiece. Literally clamp it up tight, and there you are, you're away, your hand's free. The turbo clamp from Roughneck, easy release. Press the button, take it off. It's called a turbo because it clamps up very quickly. Got nice soft jaws on there so it doesn't mark the workpiece. Also it's movable, so if you've got any imperfections on the piece you're clamping, you're getting a nice sturdy clamp straight away. An extra addition, extra pair of hands, the turbo clamp is the product you need. For more information visit realdealsforyou.com.